Hey guys, someone sent in this photo of a customer that was suffering from alopecia, and she requested for she placed an order for a hair replacement system. And then this is what we came up with. You can see the texture of the hair. And then we still went ahead to make it to add some undertone to make it a bit yellowish to get that exact color. And then the hair mixture took some time, but thank God finally we got it right. And we also had to stretch it out a little bit because, as you can see, her hair is the texture is not really curly. And as you can see, the lace we used here is a HD transparent because we're also looking at the durability of this unit. We could have used the HD imitated, although that one is way less invisible, but the durability cannot be compared to this very piece. And so that was why we used this, and you can see how curved it's looking. This is so as for it to fit perfectly onto her head. So yeah guys, we've been working on a lot of pieces like this. So if you're having any form of if you're experiencing this situation, just send us a DM or WhatsApp the number on the screen. So yeah guys, you guys can see the finished look. It's just giving exactly what the customer wants. So the knotting pattern is it's really a very secure method, something that would last her for a good number of years. And this hair is 100% human hair. It's 100% human hair. And yeah, we also went ahead to add some clips to this unit so she could easily just clip it in. So she wouldn't really have to use a lot of glue to when trying to put this on. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in my DM. Thank you.